Hi, today I will show you how to install stable full version of Internet Download Manager version 6.30. Click the download now below. In my case, I have already downloaded the files needed. Extract the zip file and install the IDM.exe. As you can see, it says that I have an error, but we will fix it later. Open the password text file. The password is 123. Close the text file and open the patch folder. Choose if you are using 32-bit computer or 64-bit. If you don't know how to determine, there is a link in the description below of a tutorial how to know what operating system you are using. In my case I'm using 64-bit, so I will install 64-bit patch. In the browser, enable the extension for IDM to perform a pop-up download button. If the patch is still not finished, just close it. It is already finished by the way. Let's check if it is already patched. It was cracked by crackingpatching.com, so it means it works. Let's try downloading in YouTube. If you receive this error, just click OK and restart your browser. As you can see, it is a stable full version now.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.